As part of the process of the Willamette Promise, we ask that teachers participate in cross-scoring to help us maintain rigor and consistency across our grading, inform faculty liaisons on professional development needs, and ensure continuous improvement to both our teachers and program. Cross-scoring does not change student grades, so the grade you assign your student as a classroom teacher is the grade that they will earn on their college transcript. We ask that each teacher cross-score 20% of the total number of work samples that they uploaded into the system. So, for example, if you uploaded 10 different portfolios, you would cross-score 2 portfolios from other teachers. When you are ready, log into the ORSkills system and select Scoring from the left-hand menu. You will see a box that says Get Next Work Sample for Scoring. Fill out your language preference first. Most of you will only have English shown here. If you're a Spanish teacher, you will have the option to score work samples that were submitted in Spanish. Next, fill out your course preference. Some of you will only have the option to score one course that you teach. However, for others, like writing teachers, will have multiple courses to choose from. Once you've selected the course, it will show you how many are available to score. Again, we don't require you to do all of them in the queue, just your 20%. When you are ready to score a work sample, select the Score Next Work Sample button. You'll be directed to a student work sample with a space for you to enter in the score in the element boxes. Once submitted, you will have the option to go to the next work sample or to return another day. Note, you will have 3 hours to submit your score and it must be completed in one sitting. The system won't allow you to do other things in the system until you finish scoring the work sample. We really appreciate you taking part in this process. For further questions, please contact us at willamettepromise@wesd.org.